In this video, we will see how to perform over aggregate functions. All right. So I'm going to command this section because this is not a part of my query. So I'm going to comment this line. How to comment? Just hit 2 hyphen. Then it will be converted into non-executable command. So you can see I have used select star from laptop. Star asterisk is used for displaying each and every query. Like every column will be displayed on the there. But if you want to select only few numbers, few column, like suppose model, if you want to print model ID from laptop table only, not the all the columns. So you will hit run model ID and it will display model ID only on the screen. If you are into, again, I'm going to display all the columns, execute. Suppose I want to print more than one column like price and active underscore on site, right? Then execute this. Okay, so suppose I want to print select star from laptop underscore table, so it will display all the values, and out of these columns, if you want to print ratings comma price only from the laptop table, so you can do by writing the column name only. So this is rating comma price from laptop table. Now I want to perform few aggregate functions like aggregate functions, and I'm going to convert into comment. So I'll hit 2 hyphen and it will be converted into non-executive command. So it will select, like suppose I want to select minimum of price from laptop table, then it will give minimum value from laptop table, because price is having this one having integer value and price is going to convert into the integer value. So this is why I am going to convert into aggregate function and we're going to convert into price value. So this is the price minimum value out of the given column value and I'm going to convert there. Similarly, I can fetch the maximum value of the price inside my table. You can see 85,390 is the maximum price from my laptop table. So this is the maximum price of my laptop. All right. If you want to give the alias, so I can give maximum price as max price, and previously you can see no column name is displaying above this 85,390. So if I give max price, so that would be the column name of my value. You can see max price is there on my column name above maximum value of price 85,390. All right. If you want to check average value, so we have AVG command for average value, and I'm going to hit the run and it will give 46,528. Though it's not the value of any particular laptop, it's not the any value of any row, you won't find this value inside your array in your row, but it is the summation of each value divided by number of columns and it is going to display there. This is how we are going to perform aggregate functions. More aggregate functions we are having, we will discuss in upcoming sessions.